hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Ashley. I am a stay-at-home mom. I love all things cleaning, baking, cooking, and homemaking. So if those are things that you are also interested in, then I hope that you consider hitting that subscribe button and sticking around. In today's video, I am taking you along with me for a Sunday reset. So if you need a good reset and you feel like you need to get your life on track, then that is what I'm here to do today. I'm here to motivate you, and I want us to do it together because I know how tricky it can get sometimes when the laundry's piling up and it's the end of a week. You're trying to figure out what meals you're going to be eating for the week to come. And I know a lot of it, depending where you're at in life and how busy your week or your month even has been, it can be a lot. So I want to tackle this together, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. So whether you are just watching or whether you want to get up and get things done with me, let's do this together. So as you guys just saw, I did kind of a quick little bed remake in my daughter's bedroom. If you don't do this yet, let me tell you, and just hear me out because it's a game changer. You need to own more than one pair of bed sheets. So we have two, our daughter has two, and it's perfect. Maybe you already do this, maybe you've thought about it, maybe you don't do it at all. But it really is a game changer, you guys, because I can always take the sheets off the bed, throw them in the wash, put a clean, new, fresh pair on, whether it's our bed or daughter's bed, and I don't have to worry about if they're not ready or they're still wet by the end of the night, or if we're running around doing things. And it is the ultimate game changer. I like to be very mindful and intentional of the things that we bring into our home. We've had the same sheets for years, and this little trick works great. The reason I'm mentioning this, not only just as a hack if you're not doing it already, but because I didn't wash our sheets just yet, but I usually wash our sheets and our daughter's sheets at least once a week, sometimes more, depending if it really just depends. I don't know, lately I have been a very hot sleeper, so if I feel like I need to change the sheets twice in a week, I will do that. So just wanted to share that little bit with you guys. It really makes such a big difference, and if you're going to spend money on anything, I would say purchase two solid pairs of sheets that you really like, because like I said, it makes such a difference. I literally want to knock on wood. I just knocked on wood before even saying anything, but I also find this to be very helpful if you have kids entering the winter months, with sickness. I really don't even want to talk about it, but sicknesses, stomach bugs, I feel like it's really good to just have some extra sheets on hand, or if your little ones are transitioning from potty training, overnight sleeping, I feel like it definitely makes sense to have an extra backup pair of sheets that's already clean and ready to go, just to help you with stuff like that, but also just the regular day-to-day. It's so nice to be like, okay, I already know in the linen closet I have an extra pair of sheets. I can just throw these in the wash and put a new one on. It's the best feeling, and I've been doing it for a couple years now. So I just wanted to share that with you. Like I said, if you guys haven't done it, if you've been thinking about it, it's worth it. So right now I am just giving our daughter's bathroom just a good solid wipe down. Obviously, as you guys can see, cleaning the toilet. I stepped in there before I knew exactly what I was going to do for the reset today, and let me tell you, the toilet needed to be refreshed and cleaned. I didn't wash her tub or anything, but this is just kind of a quick Sunday reset. We're just kind of getting things ready for the week. As you saw, I oftentimes use my daughter's bathroom. I just feel like you can see less of a mess with like makeup, hair. As to like my bathroom, it shows everything. So sometimes I like to just get ready in here. So I just wanted to tidy that up as well. And yeah, it looks way better than it did. So I wanted to throw in this quick little recipe for you guys. I will actually link this down below because I did not come up with this myself. I got it from someone online. And it is the perfect recipe if you are looking for a comfort meal. They're just these like little mini chicken pot pies, and you can use Pillsbury crescent rolls. I get the signature Shaw's brand. I think they're a little bit cheaper and they work just fine, but super easy, delicious comfort meal. So I will link that recipe down below for you. So back to the cleaning motivation. I filmed a clip to show you guys how messy the kitchen was, and I filmed a clip of me tidying it up, but my tripod, it's a little finicky. I got this one on Amazon. Maybe I will invest in a new one. I make it work, but basically it kind of like my camera slipped as I was filming it, and then it filmed me tidying it up at an angle. So didn't have that part, but I do have some more cleaning motivation, just emptying the dishwasher here. I find actually you guys will see how full our kitchen sink was. It kind of got a little bit crazy. Sorry, jumping around. That little Santa that I showed you guys, if you don't yet follow me on Instagram, my Instagram handle is @thriftingdwellshere. So I will link that down below. I purchased my first ever Santa mug the other day, and I don't think it's necessarily vintage. I did get it where we purchase our Christmas tree each year. They have these little barns that you can shop in, and similar to my flea market video, if you haven't seen that, I will link that down below for you guys. But basically the two barns at the tree farm, it has some vintage, I should say, but kind of like collected Christmas nostalgic decor. There was actually so many cute, fun little things. They also, the same people handcraft wreaths and little like tablescape, I don't know like how to explain them, but like drawing a blank, it's not like a garland, but really cute little things that you can put on your kitchen table or even like your island or peninsula. They're just so beautiful and handmade. So instead of getting a wreath this year, I picked up two little ornaments and this Santa mug because I really want to start collecting Santa mugs. I think that would be such a fun little Christmas thing to do. I think in the future, I would love to get maybe a mug stand for Christmas or put little hooks underneath the kitchen cabinets as well and just kind of display my collected Santa mugs. But I was really excited, so I just wanted to show you guys that, and I am going to link for you down below my previous like nostalgic flea market Christmas finds if you have not seen that. But definitely head on over to my Instagram if you like thrifting and flea market finds, because I like to post a lot of that stuff over on my Instagram as well. If you made it to this part of the video and you're seeing this part, this is your gentle reminder. Grab some laundry, get the baskets together, throw your laundry in the wash, or if it's sitting in the wash, it needs to be in the dryer, or if it's in the dryer, it needs to be folded. Let's get this done and let's do it together, you guys. Okay, so here's a quick grocery haul. Some of the stuff, I have like broccoli and peppers that are still in their plastic bags, but I wanted to show you quickly before I get it into the fridge. So I'm gonna do, I think I may or may not share with you guys a meal plan and like dinners that we're doing this week, and we're going to try to stick to it or stick to a consistency or a routine just to simplify things, make things easier. I'm trying to incorporate healthier options and alternatives. I'll probably talk about this briefly in my video as I'm cleaning, but let me just give you guys a quick rundown. So stir fry night, I'm pretty sure that's gonna be like Thursday is stir fry. So we're gonna do tofu because sometimes I feel like I can get sick of chicken and meat. So we're gonna try tofu and see how we like it. So have that. I did get some Coke Zeros that we're gonna store in the basement fridge just as a backup. Sometimes you just need a Coke and it is so addicting and we definitely need to cut back, but I'd rather have some than not have it and then run out to the store or McDonald's and pick up a Coke. So, and how cute is that little Santa? I'm sorry, Coca-Cola, but like take my money. So we have that. I got avocados. These were on sale at Shaw's this week. I thought this would be great for breakfast, and we're gonna do some really cool Buddha bowls. I say they're cool. I've never done them. I wanna be a Buddha bowl person, so we're gonna be doing that tomorrow night. I got 2 Caesar salads. One, we're gonna do a Newman's pizza night with a Caesar salad just to keep it easy. I'm not gonna do that every week, but we are going away next weekend, so I thought for Friday night that'd be great. I'm trying to think. Without having it on me, I forget, but this is for, oh yes, we're gonna do barbecue and onion chicken. Barbecue onion chicken with some quinoa rice, a vegetable, and then I thought a salad would be nice with that. This is for our Buddha bowl. I'm making a kale turkey soup I'm very excited about. I also have this acorn squash for the same kale soup. So I've never eaten that or cooked that before, so that'll be fun. Spinach for some salads this week. I like to make a certain salad, so I thought that'd be fun. Peppers for a variety of our meals this week. Broccoli. Figured, I know frozen vegetables is good too, but I wanna have some fresh broccoli. I think that'll be great for like 3 different recipes. I got some pomegranate seeds. These are a little pricey, but I think they're like $3.99. I think they're great, honestly, and my daughter loves them. Got some mushrooms for our Buddha bowls. This is for my salads. Red onion already chopped for Buddha bowls. Honestly, I hate the smell of red onions and I feel like it lingers on your clothing. So if I can buy it pre-chopped, I will. This makes it easier too for making the soup. So I got that. I'm trying out some of these. I know I can make these myself. There's someone I follow. I'm drawing a blank on her name. I just started to follow her. She has a really awesome account actually, but she makes these immunity shots herself and it would probably be way better if I could do that, but I'm gonna try them to see if they help with inflammation in my body. I know 2 shots aren't gonna cure me in a day, but I figured to just kind of incorporate it to try to keep me on track here with my wellness. I also wanted to try a little bit of a green juice. I was at my sister's house and she had one of these and I feel like I always feel pressure that I need to drink the whole entire thing in one sitting, but that's not true. And I realized that my sister kind of has it in moderation. So I'm gonna do that. Got some couscous. I've never had couscous, but that is part of our bowls tomorrow. What else? Oh, here's the other pomegranate. Work meat, deli meat and cheese for my husband for work. I got this fruit bowl. These are awesome. They don't have them all the time. For prepackaged, it's so good. I feel like they're so fresh. Some strawberries. We got some Nellie's. Are they organic? I don't know if they're like organic, free range. But we got some Nellie's eggs. I did get some organic stuff. I don't normally do that. I don't know if it's like a scam or whatnot, but like I said, trying to just shift towards some better choices in our family and for myself. So that's what we're doing. I've got a kombucha. I feel like this is something to drink and I have to be in the mood to drink it, but I thought that would be good this week, just like to sip on before we have dinner or as I'm making dinner. And then Starbucks iced coffees. My husband likes to use these for work in the morning. And of course I got some toilet paper and then a couple other, some things for soup and our stir fry this week. That is our little grocery haul. So now I'm going to stock the fridge and I'm really excited to be prepared for the week. I know what we have for meals, what we're gonna be making. We're gonna stick to it. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be delicious, nutritious. And how great is it when you have things planned? Like what a perfect Sunday reset, you guys. There is something that really fills my heart, and I have a lot of moments like this, and sometimes when life can get a little bit crazy and busy, like I'm not always thinking about it, but usually when we pick up groceries and I'm filling the fridge, I feel so grateful, even though like in today's world and economy, things are tight. We have to be very mindful of how we manage our money. I mean, I've been staying at home with my daughter for a little over 3 years now, since I was actually pregnant because I was so sick. So around 3 years, I've been staying at home. So we're pretty used to the lifestyle, but I really try not to let days go by where I take it for granted. And I feel very fortunate and blessed that we are able to have a full fridge of food. So just always try to remember the little things and little moments, you guys, because they really are what matter the most. So right now I am just filling out our acrylic whiteboard on our fridge. It just helps me during the week if I need to take meat out the night before. So I would highly recommend getting one if you don't have one already. Okay, so I didn't film this, but this is just notes and me prepping for the week ahead. I like to look at what we have, what we need, hence the different colors, and then I added a separate list of random things that we need. I asked my husband to help out as well, so we love a good husband and a helpful partner. Very thankful for him. So that is what I was doing. I was just writing these on the whiteboard to keep us to stay on track, but oops. Sorry, you guys can see so many shadows. The lighting is so bad in here. I'm so sorry. But yeah, just to keep us on track for meals with the week. And then I wrote it on our whiteboard. Oh my goodness. The lighting is so bad, but I wrote it on the whiteboard.